Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you doing well and working on Go High Level. So in today's video we are discussing and cover the most important topic is Go High Level website. We are going to see how we can create the website and how we can generate the content for the website with the help of ChatGPT or any other AI tool. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So go to the sites and come to the website. You have two options: create the folder and the new website. You have to click on the create folder to create the folder and add all the website in that folder. Okay, so first click on the new website. You have two options, from the blank or from the template. First we go through from the blank and then we will cover also from the template. So let's say that we are working on the rental website. Create the website. In the website you have multiple pages. Okay, so these menus are also similar to the funnel builder. So if you want to learn how we can go through and use these menus to check the stats, sales, security, you can go through and watch the video. I am also adding the link inside the description. So in this video we create the new page. So here we have few of menus like stats, sales, security, event settings. All these are same according to the funnel builder. So if you're new to this video, go to the funnel builder video, watch, and I am covering each and everything in detail. So if I start working from the scratch in this video, so this video is going long and I don't want to waste your time. Just click on add new page, add the page name home, add the path and create new page. Okay, so click here and edit in new tab. Now you have to see the builder is according to the funnel builder. So if you want to learn each element in detail, like how it works, how we can customize the element and create the site from the scratch, I am explaining each and everything in my previous videos in the funnel builder and the funnel builder element videos. You can go and watch the videos also. So all the things are same, all the menus are same, even customization are same. So we don't waste the time. Go to the back, and then the thing I want to show you is that uh, first I think we have to delete it because this is the extra one. Copy and paste, then delete, and then what you have to do, click here. I think we have to go back and new website from the template, continue, and then let's say that you can select this template. Yeah, I think choose template. So it takes some time to load the pages in your website builder. So almost it takes 10 to 20 seconds to load the website pages into the builder. So after that you have to copy this prompt. This is a prompt that I have created for you. You just need to copy and add the prompt with the screenshot of your website template. So whenever you are uploading both these, edit this detail like business name, add your own business name, business detail, audience, main offer, location, professional tone and friendly, and the book appointment. You can change according to your needs and the demands. Then you can see our site is almost ready. What you can do now, you have to change the content according to your client and according to your needs. Click here to preview. You have to add the extension like go full page. You can go through and check on the Chrome Web Store. This is available on the Chrome Web Store. Click here. This will take the entire screenshot of your whole funnel, whole website. So once this done, what we can do, I'm showing you in just few seconds. Now you have the screenshot of all the funnel. Click here to download. The image is downloaded in the PNG. So next what you have to do, open the ChatGPT and add the image of this of your funnel or your website. Where is the image? I think this is the image. You have to open here and then go to this prompt. I am also at this prompt inside the description. You just have to copy this and then paste here. Now ChatGPT can generate the content of each section in few seconds. So let's start. Okay, so this is our website. You just have to open this builder because we are just copy and the paste the content according to your business, according to your needs and the demand. So let's see ChatGPT generate the content. Okay, so this is a hero section, service section. Now you can see how is it simple to add one prompt and ChatGPT can generate the entire content of your website. Okay, so you just need to understand how you can use the things accurately to fast your work. Okay, so ChatGPT generate the entire content. Now you just have to copy and the paste the new content into your website. So let's start the pasting the content. This is the hero section. Control V, and then I think we are here. And yeah, this is a subheadline. You just have to copy this one and paste here. This is the book your appointment CTA. Click here, add the CTA, and next we have this section. And this is a subheadline. So you just need to replace the content. I'm not just replace all the content and wasting your time. So you have the prompt. I'm also this prompt inside the description. Copy the prompt, uh, go to the GPT, add the screenshot and this prompt, and then GPT generate the content with the each section while mentioning that service 1, service 2. So each and everything is very clear. And if you want to build the website from the scratch, so this is similar to build the funnel from the scratch. I am also creating this video on my YouTube channel. So if you want to watch the video, I'm also add the link in the top of this video and in the description, or you can also go and check on my channel. So yeah, that's it. If you like the video or find this video helpful, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So yeah, you can go and watch the video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.